Here we have a square root equation, and in this square root equation, we have to find the value of a. Okay, in my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this square root as an exponent. Whenever I write square root as exponent, the exponent will be 1 of, and we have the square root I mark for this stuff x times square root of x. So now I'm going to write the first square root as exponent, then it will become just 1 of equals to x to the 8th power. So here inside the parenthesis, two quantities are multiplied and we have the common exponent. Whenever two quantities are multiplied and we have the common exponent, and the exponent can be distributed to each quantity and multiply them. So then I'll be getting x to the power 1 of times square root of x to the power of 1 of equals to x to the power a. Okay, x to the power 1 of times here. Now I'm going to write this square root as exponent. So then I'll be getting x to the power 1 of, I already have the exponent 1 of, equals to x to the power a. Okay, so x to the power 1 of times x to the power. So whenever we have two exponents like this, we can multiply them according to the power of a power rule of exponents. So we get 1 over 4 equals to x to the 8th power. Okay, here we have two terms are multiplied with the same base x. Whenever two or more terms multiplied with the same base, we can take the base ones and we have to add the exponents. So 1 over 2 positive 1 over 4 equals to x to the 8th power. Okay, here if I want to add the two fractions, I must have the same denominator. But here the denominator is 4, but here we have the denominator is 2. So we can multiply the first fraction, the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 2. So that we'll have a denominator of the first fraction 4. So when I multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, I'll be getting 2 over 4 positive 1 over 4 equals to x to the 8th power. So now we have the same denominator for both the fractions. We can take the denominator in common and we have to add the numerators. 2 positive 1 is 3 equals to x to the 8th power. Okay, here two terms are equal with the same base x. So whenever two terms are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents. So we get 3/4 equals to a. So now I got the value of a. So the value of a is 3/4.